Hello everyone, my name is Eposa. Today I'm going to show you the best way to set your stop loss and profit. So the first thing you need to do is, for example, I use this chart here as an example. Let's assume that you are going to enter market here. Let me just cut from here. So let's assume you are going to enter the market here. After the market has tested this line, so you can place your stop loss maybe somewhere here. The stop loss up here. So then we are targeting 2 to 1 of these zones, for example. And as you can see, the reason why we have higher, low, higher, then price have already tested here low and tested here twice, and we are taking at the point definitely hit our destination. So what we do is, let me just play this trade. So as you can see, price just hit our TP. So this is how to plot uh, your uh, your short position. Okay, this is how to plot your short position. Your long position will be for example, like somewhere here. Um, oh, sorry. Okay, now what you need to do after you plot your short position, you need to calculate your losses. You need to calculate your stop loss so that where you can uh, definitely manage your risk. And because you cannot just enter market and just leave the market like that. What happens if the price does not go on your way? It will definitely take you out. So for you to manage your risk, you need to calculate your stop loss. For example, I'm going to use a website called Baby Pips. Calculate it. And let's remember we are taking, okay, let's just the USJPY. So let's look for USJPY. Let's remember we have 10,000 accounts, for example, and we are about to risk 1% of our account. Let's see how many pips. Here we have 83 pips. 83 pips. And also what you can do is you click these settings and take the entry price, copy it, go to DBPips, put the figures here and calculate. So it will definitely give you your lots, that 0.18 lot that you are going to use for your metatarsal 5. Okay, so that is how to calculate your stop loss. You understand me? So whenever price hit your stop loss, you will be losing 1%. But whenever price hit your TP, definitely we'll just calculate here. We calculate here for 2:1, whereby you gain twice. That means if price hit my stop loss, I will definitely be losing $100. But if it hit my profit, I will definitely be gaining $200. So that is it. That is how to calculate your stop loss. So I hope this video is helpful. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching this video. Please give us thumbs up and share our video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Then I'll see you some other time. Bye bye.